Today, we're diving into the world of Submagic AI, a cutting-edge tool revolutionizing video subtitling. Submagic AI is designed to streamline the subtitling process, making it faster, more accurate, and accessible to everyone. Throughout this video, we'll be taking a look at Submagic AI's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options to help you create a holistic view as to what Submagic AI can bring to your workflow. Let's take a look at Submagic AI's main features. Automatic subtitling. Submagic AI utilizes advanced artificial intelligence to automatically generate accurate subtitles for your videos, saving you valuable time and effort. Customization options. Users can customize subtitle styles, fonts, colors, and positions to match their brand identity and video aesthetics. Multi-language support. Submagic AI supports multiple languages, allowing you to create subtitles in various languages effortlessly. Real-time preview. The real-time preview feature enables users to see how subtitles will appear on their videos before finalizing them. Speech recognition. With powerful speech recognition and technology, Submagic AI accurately transcribes spoken words into text for subtitles. Collaboration tools. Collaborate with team members seamlessly by sharing projects and collaborating on subtitles in real time. Submagic AI offers a flexible pricing structure tailored to different user needs. The basic plan starts at $9.99 per month. That's $9.99, providing access to essential features. For advanced users, the premium plan, priced at $19.99 per month, offers additional functionalities such as unlimited video length and priority support. Submagic AI provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and professionals to create high-quality subtitles. Its intuitive design and real-time preview feature enhances the user experience, ensuring smooth navigation and efficient subtitle creation. Submagic AI offers impressive automated subtitling processes, leveraging advanced AI technology to generate accurate subtitles efficiently. Its features include customizable subtitle styles, multi-language support, and real-time preview, enhancing user experiences. However, while its automated processes are impressive, they may not be infallible, and this occasionally leads to errors. Additionally, some users may encounter a learning curve in mastering all of Submagic AI's features. Despite these limitations, though, Submagic AI remains a valuable tool for streamlining the subtitling process and enhancing video content. While Submagic AI offers advanced features and convenience, alternative options like Rev and HappyScribe provide similar subtitle generation services. However, they may vary in pricing, features, and user experience. In summary, Submagic AI is a game changer in the realm of subtitling, offering automated, accurate, and customizable solutions to streamline your workflow. With its intuitive interface, flexible pricing, and powerful features, it's the go-to for content creators looking to enhance their videos with professional subtitles. Sign up now and revolutionize your video subtitling experience. Also, feel free to subscribe to EasyInternet for more comprehensive reviews, comparisons, and how-tos. Thank you for watching.